Hello students, how are you all? Now today we will again start from EVS book of class 1. I believe that you have done your chapter 7 exercise in your book and chapter 8 exercise in your book and might have learned it. Okay, now today I will teach you chapter 9 water. Okay, water. We all need water to live. All animals and plants need water to live. Okay, water is very important for us day to day life. We cannot imagine our life without water. Okay, uses of water in the family. Water is used in the family every day. Different works. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, putting out fire. Plants need grow. Animal need water to drink. Okay. So we human need water for cooking, bathing, drinking, washing, cleaning, and putting of fire. Understand? Sources of water. We get water from many sources. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater get collect in river, springs, lake and ponds. Okay, so these are the picture of source of water. Understand? So main source of water are rain, lake, river, pond, etc. Okay. Some rainwater enters and get collected under the ground. We get this water through well, hand pumps and tube wells. Okay, so these are the pictures of well, hand pump, tube wells. In towns and cities we get water through taps. Water from a source as a river is cleaned and stored in big tank. It is then sent to our homes through pipes and taps. There are more water on the earth than land. Storage of water. We must drink pure water. Pure water is clean. It has no color, taste, and smell. The dirty water contains disease, causing germs. The boiled and filtered water is pure. Water purifiers are also used to get pure water. We cannot drink sea water as it is too salty. We can store water in many ways. At home, water can be stored in tanks, pots, buckets, and bottles. Understand? So we store water in many ways. Need for storage water. Okay. Usable water is scarce in most towns and cities. Supply of water is not continuous. Water is supplied for a few hours in a day. Okay. In a family, water is needed for the whole day for many purposes. So it is a prime need to store water. Water is also stored for domestic animals. People store water in large tank for their animal. Almost all factories need water to produce things. Water is stored in big overhead tank. When there happen a sudden fire, water is needed to put out fire. Fire engines store water in their tankers for emergency use. Okay. Simple purpose of water. Okay. Water is colorless, means has no color. Okay. Water is odorless, has no smell. Water is tasteless, has no taste. Water is shapeless, has no shape of its own. It takes the shape of the container in which it is keep. Okay, so these are three forms of water: solid, liquid, and gases. Okay, solid ice, liquid water, and gas steam. Okay, activity done with and out without water. So activity done with and without water. So activity we can do with water are jump over water, rain dance, homemade water slide, water balloons, ponds, toy bath, swimming. Okay, the activity we can do without water are horse riding, playing video games, drawing, singing, dancing, jump rope. Okay, so these are some activities. Understand, children? Okay, need for judicious use of water. Water is very essential things for all living thing on the earth. Very little, only 2% water on the earth is fresh and safe for drinking. So we should use water judicially. Okay, turn off the tap when not in use, for example while brushing your teeth. Report the leaky taps or few tests. To take bath, bathtub, bed, shower. Okay, bucket, best. Okay, reuse of water in family. We can reuse the domestic wastewater for watering kitchen, garden, plants, gardening, washing car, bike, etc., flushing toilet. Okay, so these chapters are complete. I hope you understand this chapter. Okay, and read again this chapter and do all these exercise in your book. Okay, and these exercise do in your notebook. Understand, children?